Welcome to an immersive journey along the Lady Bird Lake Trail in beautiful Austin, Texas. Whether you are a seasoned local, a fitness enthusiast, or someone planning to visit Austin, this video captures the scenic beauty and vibrant atmosphere of one of the city's most cherished spots. Lady Bird Lake Trail is a renowned urban path that loops around the lake, providing stunning views of the Austin skyline, serene waters, and lush greenery. Spanning over 10 miles, the trail offers something for everyone, from runners and bikers to casual strollers and natural lovers. It's just not a trail, it's just not a place, it's an experience. Perfect for morning runs, evening jogs, or weekly family outings. It's the heartbeat of outdoor life in Austin. Lady Bird Lake is a river-like reservoir on the Colorado River in Austin. The city of Austin created the reservoir in 1960 as a cooling pond for the new city power plant. The city of Austin constructed Longhorn Dam in 1960 to form Town Lake. The city needed the reservoir to serve as a cooling pond for the Holy Street power plant, which operated from 1960 until 2007. Robert Crenshaw, chair of the Austin Board of Parks and Recreation, purchased nearly 400 trees and shrubs in an effort to spearhead parkland development around the lake. During his 2 terms in office, the mayor of Austin, Roy Butler, led the Austin City Council to establish the Town Lake Beautification Committee, and he appointed Lady Bird Johnson as the project's honorary chairman. Johnson's involvement brought attention and money to the Town Lake project, allowing for the planting of hundreds of shrubs and trees. The city also built a system of hike and bike trails along the shoreline of the lake. On July 26, 2007, the Austin City Council passed a resolution authorizing the renaming of the reservoir from Town Lake to Lady Bird Lake, in the honor of Lady Bird Johnson, who had died earlier that month. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing content about Austin's hidden gems and must-visit locations. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below your favorite part of the trail.